નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, ધોરણ 7 દ્વિતીય સત્ર ગ્રામર એન્ડ કમ્પોઝિશનમાં આજે આપણે જોઈશું કમ્પ્રેન્શન ભાગ, પેજ નંબર 39, 40 અને 41. કમ્પ્રેન્શન ભાગમાં ફકરો આપેલ છે, તેના આધારે આપણે પ્રશ્નોના જવાબ લખવાના રહેશે. પેરેગ્રાફ નંબર 1 જોઈશું. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1, વોટ ડુ ધ ચિલ્ડ્રન લવ ટુ ડુ? આન્સર: ધ ચિલ્ડ્રન લવ ટુ પ્લે, લર્ન, સિંગ, ડાન્સ or simply spend time talking to friends. Question number 2, what do most children do today? Answer: most children sit in front of the TV set. Question number 3, today children find it difficult to mix with others. Number 4, children who watch TV do not like to ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer: play games or read books. Number 5, what do people call the TV set? Answer: people call the TV set an idiot box. Paragraph number 2, question number 1, what goes round the earth? Answer: the moon goes round the earth. Number 2, what is the earth? Answer: the earth is a planet. Number 3, what is the moon called? Answer: the moon is called the satellite of the earth. Number 4, what is the solar system? Answer: the sun, the planet and their satellites from the solar system. Number 5, do planets twinkle? No, planets do not twinkle. Paragraph number 3, question number 1, what did Akbar ask his courtiers to bring? Answer: Akbar asked his courtier to bring the most beautiful thing of the court. Number 2, what did the courtier bring the next day? Answer: the courtiers brought various things they thought were the most beautiful. Number 3, who brought a dirty child? Answer: Birbal brought a dirty child. Number 4, what is the most beautiful thing for the mother? Answer: to its mother, the child is the most beautiful thing for a mother. Number 5, which word in the passage means prize? Answer says reward. તો મિત્રો આ હતા પેરેગ્રાફના 3. આગળના ત્રીજો ભાગ નોન વર્બલ ટેક્સ્ટ આગળના વિડીયોમાં જોઈશું. થેન્ક યુ.